What's up everyone? Thank you for coming. Thank you for watching. Jay Nolasco here. And if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. And today's episode is way different with used to do like the shoe shopping and everything. But today I'll be doing some laptop unboxing. And this one is haven't heard before, and the price point is way below the retail price, so I had to pick it up and I'll show you what it is. Let's go. So this is what I picked up for this weekend. We got the Avita Claros laptop, and I picked up not just one but two Avita laptop. And the price or the retail on these laptops are 659, and the price tag on the store was, they mark it down to 499, as you can see. There you go, 499. And this was selling at Walmart store, and I've been looking for a laptop for a while because I need to upgrade my old laptop, like about 2 or 3 years laptop. So I think it's about time to upgrade, and I've been in market. So when I saw this deal, so why not take it? Because 659 retail, drop it down to 499. And surprisingly, why I took two, because there is a secret markdown or secret discount on clearance on this one, 259 for each, so it's like more than 50%. Take it, and take it both. I hope if they had more, I could get one and maybe flip the others and keep maybe one or two for business or for personal. So let's move on to the unboxing. Let's move the other one right there. So nice box, Avita Claros in here. Says Windows 10, and looking by the box, it looks like something way familiar. So look around. Nice box. Okay. And well, that's it. Open. There you go. Nice. Was like, So we got the quick start guide on this one with the Avita laptop. Okay, let's set it aside. A nice foam. There you go. And here's the laptop. There you go. Covered with some nice plastic. Okay. Let's take out the other ones in these boxes. Okay, here we go. And we just got the cords. That's it. There we go. Okay, and there you go. So Sabita up front. Nice. Silver. And it looks like some familiar with, if you know, a MacBook laptops. Is that how thin it is? Okay, nice. Nice. Silver. Okay, aluminum, silver aluminum, and it looks like the MacBook. Alrighty. Okay. Let's open it. Ooh, they still got the cover in there. And let's see. See? It looks like a MacBook because if you were looking into the pads right there, it's a huge pad. Like it almost covered the whole portion of the laptop. And you get the what do you call this? Keyboards. I got a shallow keyboard right here, and I mean like it's soft to touch, and I can't get away with this touchpad, like absurdly large, like somewhere maybe 5 to 2 by 7 inches. And okay, let's move on to the other part of it. And it says on the screen it is full HD 1080. That's a huge one. Okay, so and it says HDMI. And one thing I picked up about this laptop, it's not because it's not that familiar to everyone here in the America, because this unit or laptop is the first release of Avita in the United States or in America. So not when I was so skeptical looking at it, what's kind of laptop is, I haven't heard. So we are familiar of different like the MacBook, HP, Intel, Dell, and so on. But one thing they are same is what's inside. So this one has the Intel Core i5 7th generation. So what made me think is it doesn't matter what brand, what to think about is, or what I think which was better if I taking it is, but inside it is mostly the same of those high-end laptop because they have Intel Core inside. That's it. And moving on to the side, you got the port right there, USB port, on off button right here, and lots of ports right this side. On this right side you got the USB port, mini HDMI, the audio, and another USB port. So you got all the ports right here, just one on this side. And see the back, not much going on in there, it's just the name and the serial, and also the 2 speaker. I think the screen on this one is the 14-inch. So let's see what do they had on the box. So it says on the box OS is Windows 10, processor Core i5, Intel Core i5. So it has a display 14-inch full HD IPS, and It got 125 GB SSD. Memory is 8 GB DDR3, and it has also 720 camera or webcam HD, and it is very lightweight. It says 2.30 kilograms. And so here you go, everyone. We got the Vita Clarus laptop. Nice and sleek laptop. You can't go wrong for the price of retail is $659 and got them for $259. So I'll just input some of the video wherein I did scan the actual barcode on this one, actual barcode, and the price showed up not $499. It actually showed up the price is $259. So as you can see, the other one here, let's just open up for the sake of this video, and there you go. The other one is not open yet, but same price. I took them $259. Not bad for a laptop which has a good looking, like a MacBook look-alike, and also have a 1080 display. Also the keyboard is nice, touchpad is way huge. Also had the important thing why I took it, even though it's a different brand name, it has the good thing. What's inside? What is the inside in it is the Intel Core i5 7th generation. So it doesn't matter if they are not known here in America, because they just got this in this brand, or this unit is the first release in the United States. So I hope you like this video unboxing of the Vita Clarus laptop, and I hope you like, because it was a lot of savings from the retail price $659 to $259, and that's the important one, price point and the Intel Core i5. So I hope you like this video, and if you like more of this kind of unboxing on electronics, just let me know down below, and if I could find something, I'll do unboxing again in the future. So hope you like the unboxing today. I hope you like the vlog today. Please leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you later. Peace.